Hey everyone, alright, here I am. I'm going to try to not make this video too long. This is the full book pull on the 200 million cash explosion. 147. We have Itchy Richie, Sarah, Herb, Peggy, B. Winter, Robert, Sophie, Juju Mima, Les, KL, Cougar, 1999. Alright, let's get to scratching, guys. Alright, move this out of the way. Ticket 1 all the way to ticket 20 from book 0042635. Thank you, everybody. Thank you again for joining. All right. Here we go. Got a mosquito in here. Let's get right in it. See what we find. And we find that 20 times. Ooh, we found a money bag already on ticket 1. Beauty, beauty. That's what we want to find. Alright. We find any helpers. Is there a 3? Ooh, $15. Nice. Is there a 25? Nope. 24. Alright, is there a 5? 11. 21. 6. Alright, $25. Even 25 on here? No. I missed a number already. 6 right here. 30. 40. I'm missing numbers already. Alright, really? Already missing numbers. Alright, 6. Got a 6. 21. 11. 5. No 5. 24 right here. Okay, so 25. Alright, so this will be a 50. Is there a 3? 3. Alright, so $30, $40, $50 winner on ticket 1. We'll take it. We'll take it. Nice. Alright, put that over there. Will we get it back to back? Ticket 2. 0042635. Back to back. Back to back. Right now we're just going to go right through it, guys. Make it fast. Alright. Alright, you can see a little closer. 6. 17. This mosquito's going to drive me crazy. 36. 19. Mosquitoes have been horrible over here. 35, 24, 35. So those are 25 and 35. Does it 25, 35? I don't know. Alright, so we got 35, 24, 25, 19, 36, 17, 6. Alright, nothing there. On to ticket 3. 0042635. 20 times. 20 times. 20 times. Alright, nothing there. 11. 30. 31. 27. 37. 4. 10, 1, 32. Alright, a bunch of one-offs. Nothing there. Ticket 4, 0042635. Okay. Sorry, guys. Sorry, there you go. Much better. 8, 32, 39. Like I put 3 numbers together. 16. I'm always jumbling words together. 9. I'm sure you have noticed that. 11. 27. 26. 28. Alright. On to ticket 5. 004 2635. Come on, we want to see some more beautiful symbols. Where you at? I mean, we don't mind that $50 winner. We do not mind. Ooh, 4, 37, 21, yes, 15, yes, come on, keep it coming. 27, 2, 9, and a 13, all right, $15 winner. 6, 004 2635. Back to back. Any back to back. Cut this off. Alright. 13, 12, 25. No towel? 24, 14, 31, 32. All right, no back to back. 7, 004 2635. Scroll down. 34, 29, 10, 23, 9, 14, 13, 24, next up 25. Alright, nothing on 7. Oops, sorry about that. We're making noise. Ticket 8, 004 2635. Okay. 40, 9, 28, 31, okay, $15, another 31 anywhere, nope, 21, nope, 26, nope, 29, right, I'll take it. Ticket 9, 004 2635. Are we getting the back-to-backs? Yeah. Okay. 39, 40, 38, 28, 37, 27, 21, 35, 6, 4. Alright, nothing there. Ticket 10, 004 2635. Money bag, where are you? 4 sure's coming out a lot. 35, 34, 25, 30, 14, 29, 38. Right? 11, 004, 2635. Oh, there goes the money bag. We get another one? Nope. Alright. We get any matches to go with it. We love when we get matches. Come on. 12. 8. Nope. 38. 38. 33. 34. 22. 23. Nope. Alright, $10. Take it, take it, take it. On to 12, 004, 2635. Back to back. And this is for full book 147. 9. Got an 8. 30. 1, 2, 16, 17, 21, 22, 27, 28, 26, 3, 2, 1 off, 1 off, 1 off. 13, 004, 2635. Okay, 22, 35, 32, 36, 37, 14, 15, that's 13, 39, 29, 38, 6, nope, 5. Okay. 14, 004, 2635. Okay. 9, 31, 34, 23, 11, 37, next to 36, 27, 15. 1 off, 1 off, 1 off. Almost finished. 15, 004, 2635. 20 times. Are you in here? We are looking for you. Come on. 40. Nope. 15. 7. 6. 23. 19. 1 off. 14. 13. Nope. 21. 22. Nope. Alright. 16. Come on. 16, 17. 004, 236, 635. Money bag right here. Come on. Another money bag. Match, match. Come on, match, match. 23. 26. I know I saw 26. No, that was 25. 10. Helpers. 9. 34. 7. 10. 17. $10. I'll take it. Alright, 17. Get it back to back. 004 2635. Oh my gosh, I think there's a stink bug in here. And I do not want to kill it. Something is there flying around. I think we'll spank it up. 39, 38, 13, 14, 21, 11, 16, 40, 36. Look at that. Alright, no back to back. 3 more tickets. 18, 004, 2635. 4, 5, 6. You know, if 7 ain't down here, it's going to be up there for sure. Oh, okay. Well, then I guess 8 will be up there. 17. 25. 21. 15. 27. 40. Well, I guess not. It's 37. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, 2 more tickets. 19, 004, 2635. Oh, 2 money bags. More? Ooh, is this going to be the $100 winner? 19. Is there any matches? Duplicates? 13. No, 13. 36. 37. 32. 29. 4. 26. 10. 20. Alright, $20. Take it. $20. I mean $20. Take it. 20 004 2635. That was $20 one on that. Okay. I thought that was right here. Okay. 30. 21. 4. 12. 2. 34. Sorry, I'm on Scratch Daddy's phone, so it's like, I can't tell if I'm on. Alright, so nothing here. So I'll be right back. I'm going to scan all the tickets, make sure I didn't miss anything. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Alright, so scanned all the tickets. Losers were losers. So ticket 1 was a $50 winner. And ticket 5 was a $15 winner. Ticket 11 was a $10 winner. Ticket 8 was a $15 winner. Ticket 16 was a $10 winner. And ticket 19 was a $20 winner. So round 1, you are at 120. So we will be going into round 2 with 120 guys. So y'all keep a lookout for round 2, guys. Getting the next set of tickets. Alright, everyone. Have a wonderful, blessed day. And I will see you next time. Love y'all. Bye.